This video is about our tire changes with one help arm. This includes the TWX11 and the TWX93. Let's start with the clamping area. The TWX11 has an outer clamping area of up to 21 inches for alloy rims and an inner clamping area of up to 24 inches for steel rims. Of course, the help arm allows me to fit low-profile tires with the machine as well. This means that the machine is actually suitable for both private and commercial use. Any tire with a low profile, like the ones from a Golf GTI or something similar for example, is generally no problem with this machine. This machine has a semi-pneumatic mounting head. That means there's a small safety here. If I pull it, then the pneumatic lock is released. I can move the head up and down. If I lock it, the head jumps up a bit automatically to guarantee the necessary safety distance between the head and the rim. The machine's lateral distance is adjusted with this screw and I can determine how far away my head should be from the rim. Of course, make sure that there's always a small space in between. Let's move on to the X93. It's clearly visible that this machine is different from a conventional tire changer. Namely, it has no clamping plate. So the machine doesn't have a maximum clamping area that predetermines what can be mounted on it. Theoretically, I can clamp a wheel of over 40 inches with this machine. Of course, that's outside the realm of reality, but it's worth mentioning. There's a bolt here. It has a bayonet lock down here so that I can place and clamp my wheels here. And there's a small pin here that goes through one of the wheel bolt holes. It's used to ensure that the machine always pulls the wheel with it. For example, if I have a more rigid tire on it, so that the tire doesn't get jammed and stays in place while the machine keeps turning. That can be avoided with this pin. So I place my wheel here, then a small cone goes in the wheel, as you may know it from a wheel balancer. Then this piece is inserted and locked. And then I can clamp down the wheel with the quick release nut. A big advantage from the X93 is that I can also mount wider wheels than with the X11 for example. Because logically the bottom or inside of the wheel, depending on how you see it, doesn't rest on the clamping surface, but rather the wheel plate does. So the wheel plate lays on top of the clamping surface. And because of that I can also mount wider wheels with this machine in contrast to the X11, for example, or tire changes with a normal clamping plate in general. This help arm is completely identical to the one from the X11. So I can fit the same tires with this machine as I can with the TWX11, with the difference that this machine is also suitable for a 23-inch wheel, while the X11 isn't. Furthermore, this machine has another peculiarity, namely this one down here. It's our built-in wheel lift. It's only available with this machine. It's included as a standard and it cannot be acquired separately or anything like that. I think I don't need to explain what a wheel lift does. If I have a heavy wheel for example, I can roll it onto the lift, raise the lift, and then I can comfortably place the wheel on the clamping surface and clamp it correctly. Another interesting aspect of this machine, it has 4 holes on top of the post here. They are there so that I can in principle equip the entire help arm from the TWX98 on this machine. In this way, I can turn this machine into a machine with 2 help arms. And then I'm able to fit more complicated tires with the X93. A few words about the drive voltage of both machines. The X11 is available in both 230 and 400 volts. The X93 is only available in 400 volts. The two machines are operated with a working pressure of 6 to 8 bar. I hope I could help you a bit further with this video. You can now choose a suitable model below. If you have already decided on a specific one, you'll find more specific videos there as well. There are product videos for each machine, and assembly videos where we simply explain further how to install the machines. You will also find the scope of delivery and the product videos, what is included with the machines. If you have any further questions or doubts, you can always give us a call. We are glad to advise you individually on the right machine for you. Otherwise, thanks for watching.